Come on. Come on, you can do it. Oh, look at you go. Speedy Gonzales. Whoa. What are you going to do when you get here? Oh, Lord, she's stuck. Whoa. Oops.
See her grab her pants like she's going to pull up on it. That's what she tried to do to me.
What are you going to do?
Oh, she's praying like a Catholic girl.
What are you going to do? What are you going to do? You going to do something spectacular? Whoa! Oh no! Can you do it? I won't help you. She can do it. Come on. Come on, you can do it. There you go. My baby stands. You just know how cute you are, don't you? And you jump too. I had to get some Beyonce in here. You want to dance? All right, say goodbye.